How to set spending limits on Rabobank application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to set spending limits on Rabobank application. So whether you are using Rabobank application, just make sure you are already logged into your account, or you can also use the Rabobank mobile banking from your browser just like this by simply heading over to rabobank.com. And once inside here, just make sure you are logged into your account. So once you successfully log into your account, just look for the section related to your debit card or account management, and you should see the option to view and change the limits for different types of transaction, such as online payments, ATM withdrawals, or contactless payments. And from over there, just choose the type of the limit you want to change, then enter the desired new limit. You can set a temporary or permanent limit. And from over there, you can just follow the on-screen instruction to confirm your changes, which may involve using your 5-digit access code, fingerprint, or facial recognition. So that's it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.